Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a super simple Dollar Tree DIY for you. I am showing you how to make really pretty tapered candle holders. This is a $2 project and it's the final video in my series I've done this month, taking Dollar Tree glass items and recreating them to make something really beautiful for your home. I've done one every week this January. I'll put a link below to the playlist so you can see all the projects we've done some really beautiful things, a terrarium, other candle pieces. Make sure you check them out, but first I'm going to show you this. It is so simple, so easy, but I want to show you this technique because if you've never seen it before, never considered it, you want to know how to do this because Dollar Tree sells so many different candle pieces that you can put together to combine and make even larger, more elegant, beautiful pieces for your home. Let's get started so quick. So I'm starting with this votive candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I picked this one because I like this kind of curved shape. It's going to give it that traditional tapered look. And I put some E6000 glue and then I topped it with a candle holder that is its exact match. So it's kind of like the bottom pieces are touching, and I'm gonna let that dry for 24 hours, and that's really it. You'll see here I paired it with one extra candle holder. I liked these two different levels, but you can make a matching set. Each one is just $1, and I think it looks so much more expensive than it is. You can do this technique with so many different kinds of votive holders. Dollar Tree sells so many different shapes and sizes and colors. Use what you like, but use this technique. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more, and hit that thumbs up button if you liked this. I'll see you guys next time.